Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy F15 and I want to show you how to take long screenshot on this device. Our first step to do that is open Google Chrome application or something would have more information. Then you have on the one side of screen where we can scroll something. Where we are on it, we press volume down and power key together at the same time as to make normal screenshot. And after that we tap first icon. We must push the button to add more information to our screenshot. When we have all we need, we stop pushing the button and we finish scrolling. And that's all. We have our long screenshot which we can open in our gallery maybe. And we have it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.